Go. Hey everybody, Jim King back out here on our project on off State Line Road, 114th Street. My guys, my A-team has just they've done it exactly the way I envisioned it. This wall is now perfectly vertical. This will be about the third or fourth video. It's perfect right there. And everything went tilted back up perfectly. We're going to come in now. We will encase this footing up to the top of my boot. And underneath it, it will be encased around the footing. Tell you what, on a job like this, you never know if that wall, if it can take the movement. It took years for it to get tilted 6.5 inches. So we're gonna go get some more shims to shim underneath our king piers. This is just absolutely perfect. Everything's aligned perfect. Even at the top, it's even with the window. And my job now, after I encase this, I'm gonna leave this up here until we get the piers encased and the concrete sets up and the dirt back around it, and then I'll take that down because I want it to stay permanently vertical forever. So another 5-star project for King Piers out here in Kansas City. For your foundation repair needs, call me 816-521-8915. You can call my son 816-288-4373, or you can go to our website kingpiers.com. Thank you.